Hello Doll, just going to make a quick video for you to demonstrate what you asked about. So I've integrated Python and UV into joydx now, and I'll just briefly explain a bit of the Python Hello World SQL test schema. So we start by having some custom variables. I put them up here because they're going to be used for both the container definition and the environment in our app. And it looks familiar to if you've used the Docker Compose before, except we've got a templating language with some string interpolation. And then on the side, I've created a kind of call it a simple Hello World Python equivalent repository, which is public. And this is really just like a notebook, and then the UV lock where it's pulling in SQL, alchemy, cryptography, and that's basically it. So in terms of the actual app playbook, we've got our source, which checks out the repository. So on this one, there's no actual build. I've put a placeholder task there. And then what we're quite simply doing is running UV using the equivalent of like a terminal command, except passing in our environment. So now I'll just hop over to the actual terminal and I can clear that, and I'll make a version of this a bit more presentable for the GUI when we talk. But this is just firing it all up to the point where we've now got our project. We've got our Jupyter notebook checked out from there, and all I've really got to do is go and run that, and voila, it's as simple as that.